Hello everyone! Happy September 16th! Today we celebrate guacamole, playfulness, and the power of language. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Guacamole Day. A creamy, zesty tribute to everyone's favorite avocado dip. A great gift could be a guacamole-making kit, a set of artisan tortilla chips, or a recipe card with spicy flair. What's your secret guac ingredient? Let's mash up some ideas in the comments. Next, it's Play-Doh Day. Celebrating creativity, imagination, and hands-on fun. A sweet gift could be a sculpting set for kids or adults, a DIY clay modeling kit, or a nostalgia-themed Play-Doh bundle. What's the coolest thing you've ever sculpted? Share your creations below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Step Family Day. A heartfelt celebration of blended families and chosen bonds. A thoughtful gift could be a personalized photo frame, a custom family tree print, or a gratitude journal for shared memories. Who's someone in your step family you appreciate today? Let's celebrate love in all its forms in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 16th to 20th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone, more celebrations are coming tomorrow, stay awesome.